Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10a and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll and find device unlock and tap on fingerprint. Here let's enter your screen lock. And here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so just scroll all the way down and tap on I agree. And here we've got the visualization, I believe, of the fingerprint sensor, so how it will work. So just tap on start, and here we've got our fingerprint sensor. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Alright, sorry for that. Here let's tap on done. And face unlock, I don't want to add it right now. Alright, so we can tap on fingerprint. And this is our fingerprint section. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can also check enrolled fingerprints if you've got more than one. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So unlock your phone and verify it's you in apps, which is quite comfortable to use. And here use fingerprint unlock when the screen is off. You can turn it on or off. All right. So now all we have to do is to lock our device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger somewhere where the scanner was. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.